I'm Michael from DeLonghi, and today I'm going to show you how to descale your Dinamica Plus bean to cup machine. You'll know it's time to descale when this message appears on here. It will take up to 45 minutes, but we're not going to start that just yet. We're going to get ready for it. So first of all, we need our hot water tap. We need to remove our milk carafe. We're going to use 100 ml of DeLonghi descaler. Before we do that, we're going to remove any water filters that are in the machine. And finally, we need a container large enough to collect all the water that's coming through. So for this machine, I'm using a 2-litre container. The machine is telling me to place some descaler to level A and some water to level B. So first of all, I'm going to remove the tank. I'm going to get rid of the water that's already in here, and I'm going to do what the machine says. I'm going to take my 100 ml of descaler first, place it into my tank. There is a level A on here. I'm also going to take some fresh water, and I'm going to get this to level B. It's important you get it to the right level on here, because if you don't complete this properly, the descale might not work. Now I'm at the right levels. I'm going to place the actual water tank back into the machine. At this point, I can press next. It's asking me to empty the drip tray, so I'm going to do that now. I've emptied my drip tray, so I'm just going to place this back into the machine. Once I've done that, I press next. This is now asking me for my 2-litre container. I'm going to place this under both these spouts before I continue. Now I'm going to press OK. This is now starting the descale cycle. This can take some time, so please don't worry if there's little pulses and pauses in between these cycles. So stage 1 of our descale process is complete. The machine is now saying rinse and fill water tank. Before I do this, I'm going to move the water container. Now I'm going to remove the tank, give it a wash, and I'm going to refill it up to the max line. I've given this tank a quick wash. Now I'm going to put in some fresh water. I'm going to go up to the max line. No solution needed on this part, just fresh water. It's important that you do get it to this max line, otherwise you might have to complete the process again. So, water tank is full. I'm going to place this back into the machine. The machine is now asking me to place my 2-litre container back underneath the spouts. Take my container. This process can take some time, so please don't worry if there is any pauses. So now we've done our second rinse cycle. Just to reiterate, we've done 1 cycle with descaler, and we've done 2 cycles of rinsing through the water tank. Now the machine is asking me to empty the drip tray. I'm going to place this back into the machine. Now it's done, I'm going to press next. Descale is complete. All I need to do is refill the tank and then go and enjoy some coffee.